They seem pretty smart to me.
Your friends just made things worse. I better be going. Gotta make a pudding run anyway, because someone bogarted my whole supply. I'm so mad at you, Tails.
Why? I found pudding! Is this a towel?
What am I supposed to cover with that? Are you making fun of me? Because that's what enemies do.
A duh! You're funny. This wall tastes like dirt!
Whoa. Looks like this guy could use a hand. And it turns out it was in my mouth the whole time.
Hey, guys, I don't need a fancy luminous suit. I can see just fine. Oh, irony, I didn't see you coming. If only I had a luminous suit. Oh, what a twisted web the fates have woven.